my name is Anna. I'm making this video to explain my card to the project CoinTossing. So I divide my presentation into 6 parts. The first one will be import. The second one is flip the coin 1 time. The third one is flip the coin n times. And next I will repeat m times. Then I write a program to bring the result, and the last I will show you how to check if it's a fake coin or not. So first, import. So I will import the random model because I will use it into the next program. So this is how I write a program to return if it's a tail or head. So the random module will return the random number from 0 to 1, and the pH will be the probability of heads with the frequency. So the pH will be equal to 0.5. So if the random model less than or equal to pH, it will be return H, the string H, else it will return tail. It will return T, mean tails. So here is the sample run. So we can see it could return H or T, and the probability here is 0.5, mean 50-50. And the next part is flip the coin n times. So first of all, I set the head count equal to 0. Then I start a for loop in round of n because I want to run it, repeat it n times. Then I set the toss equal to 1 flip a pH. So the toss here now it can be H or T. If the toss equal to H, so the head count will +1. So that's how I can count the head after n times. Here's the sample. So here I toss the coin 5 times with the probability of head is 0.5, and after 2 of 5 times is return head. Then I repeat this n times. How can I do it? So first of all, I create an empty dictionary named head count. Then I start a for loop in round of n+1 because here I want to set the key, so it must be from 0 to the number n, so I +1. So the HD count here will be the key of the head count dictionary, so it will run from 0 to the number n. Then I set those key a value equal to 0 because each is a starting point. Then I start another for loop in round of m. M here is it can equal to the m here is the number times you want to repeat. So it's maybe 1,000, 10,000, or 100,000. Okay, so I set the num head equal to n flip. So now we got the number of head after n time flip. And the next one, arrow head count, open bracket num heads, close bracket, plus equal to 1 means if after I flip and it return the num heads. For example, if it return to zero head, so the value of 0 here will plus 1. So we can see in the symbol run too easier to understand. So after 1000 times we repeat each return, it have 70 I'm sorry 27 times is return non h normal head, and 153 times it return one head, and 314 times is return two heads, and 308 times is split to three heads, and 166 times is return four heads, and it just 32 times is returned without a head. And this is the part that I write the program to bring the result. So first of all, I start a for loop in round from 1 to 4 because I want the value of I will be 1, 2, and 3. So the m equal 10 equal to 100 star 10 star I can have the value is 1000, 10,000, and 100,000. Then I print the true title and I set the result equal to m flip. So the result here now is the dictionary with the key is a head, um, and the value is the time is and is the number of head. Yeah. So I start a for loop in the loop with brown is with the rank is n plus 1. So um so I have three value here is I result I divide to m. So the I here will equal to h over here, and it would be run from 0 to number n, and the result I will equal to number h, and the result I divide to m will equal to probability of h. Oh, I'm sorry. Is equal to probability of each case. So now we see the example, the sample run. So it shows the the head the head count, the number of heads, and the probability of each case. So that's it. And this part, I will show you how to trust if it's a fake coin or not. So first, I will compare. The probability of the sample run with 0.6 pH, and the another will be 0.5 pH. So we can see in the sample run of 0.6 pH, the 0 head and 5 head probability are, are not similar or approximate, um, and the probability of 1 head and 4 head is not quite is not approximate also, and it's like a head, the 2 head and 3 head. So now we turn to see the sample run with 0.5 pH. We can see the probability of 0 head and 5 head is approximate, and the pair and in the pair of 1H, 4H, 2, 2H, 3H is the same. I mean the probability of 1 head, 1H and 4H is similar, and the probability of 2H and 3H is approximate. So I can see it's a rule, and it's like symmetry. So if I see that that's approximate number pair, so I can choose a fake coin, and I have another way to check it. It's maybe easier. So we just use our sample run and use that probability, then compare with the prediction. So here I have the prediction of the 5 the number of toss 5, I toss the cards 5 times, and the probability of it is 0.5. So it's the same case of my sample runs. Mm, so so if the number of if the probability of 5 heads and oh I mean is the those probability is is approximate to the prediction. So here's the prediction. So if it's approximate, so we can check it's a fake coin. That's all about my project. So thank you for listening.